Why are you doing a video?
Hi guys, we're just going on the aeroplane. We're just on the aeroplane, and we are in
flying over Luxembourg.
flying over Luxembourg, and we are 37,000 feet up in the air. Not far from space. Can you see? There's ice on the window. Oh, on the window.
What's that there? What's that? Look.
And that is the moon. Right up there. Do you see it? See it, guys? Good spotting. Right, so we have TVs in here, and if you press movies, there's like Alvin and the Chipmunks, Spy, whatever, Rio 2, and the Lego Movie. That's for kids, and then for TV, kids, select Dora, Penguins,